What does she talk like? She talks like some Saturday Night Live character.
Hi, I'm Lydia Lunch. I think I'm just getting material here, so I thought I'd cut in.
You said what? You think
I'm just getting material here, so I thought I would just cut in.
Sorry, it's not really working though.
I love your routine.
Thank you.
I'm not a comedian. I deal with tragedy, but we have similar subjects. You know, the way that you talk about women, I talk about men. But in a serious way.
It's great.
Serious way?
Yeah. I do a lot.
I'm so serious about it that I make it funny.
You got to. I'm laughing, but usually they're crying, so I like it that way.
Like it when you're laughing and they're crying?
Yeah, well,
Go deep into that.
We could, but
I've heard a lot about you.
You have?
I've heard from Trey.
All fucking true.
Trey was shaking when you called and left a message on the voicemail, and she was like, "Oh, feel my heart."
I did. I said it's like Elvis Presley. Just kidding. No, it's true.
Well, and I think it's funny. Elvis Presley's birthday today, so no one ever said
My sister's birthday. It's not his birthday; it's when he died.
Yeah, exactly.
Death Day. Good material, especially the
I
animals.
know.
Thank you.
I do a lot of sex work. I would say work, but talk, but it's very ugly.
Okay.
It's very
Very ugly.
So you might laugh. You'd probably laugh, but
I'm laughing
honey, you
right
wouldn't get
now,
any
so-
material. You wouldn't get any material out of me like you were getting out of them. So I said, look, enough with these clownish impersonations of women with no brains but lots of beauty. Oh, okay.
Well, the ones that are smart are
Look
never
in my eyes
funny.
when you're talking to me.
I know, exactly.
I always do that.
I don't think so, Joe.
Yeah. Oh yes, I do. Stop the dumb intimidation stuff. I was thinking. I'm allowed to think.
I know.
I think I look down. Don't go attacking me. I see where you're going with
It won't
this.
attack you.
I see exactly where you're going with this. I don't think so, Joe. Don't start that shit with
Get
me.
me, baby.
How I'm thinking, I look around. It's okay. You're allowed to. I don't have to lock onto you and make eye
I
contact.
wanted to hear the thing about
Don't
women.
tell me what to look at and how to behave. That's
Whatever you
silly.
want to do.
Exactly.
So here, excuse me. I'll talk to you this. I just wanted to get
You
that
were
key
yelling out
point.
while I was on
No.
stage.
That point was important. I just wanted the point I was trying to get.
What, the point where you told me to look in the eyes?
What was the point I was trying to get?
I don't know. You annoyed me so much by looking in the eyes. I really wasn't paying attention. No, it's because you try to tell people what to do. Don't tell people where to look. That's not how you communicate with adults. You don't tell them look in my eyes. I'm not your dog, and I'm not a fucking little kid. No, you don't talk to people like that. That's dumb. That's not gonna
Put my
work.
cigarette out up his nose, but that's okay.
Gotta do
I
it.
don't.
So don't threaten it.
I'm not threatening.
This is dumb shit.
No, it's
Yes,
fine.
it is.
It's fine.
No, it's dumb.
Relax.
Put your
If she
cigarette
talks
on
enough
me?
shit to you, you will punch her, right?
I don't think so. No, no shake on that, because I'm not going to punch him either. So.
But you know,
Don't say you're gonna then. That's retarded. That's for idiots. That's dumb.
You're
No,
off the
you say
stage.
no. I'm not on stage.
You're
I'm
off the
talking to you. You
stage.
saying you're gonna burn me with your cigarette?
I
You're not
did.
burning anybody. That's dopey talk. That's dopey dumb talk. You're not burning people. What are you, fucking tough? You're gonna burn people? You're an out of shape older woman. You're not burning anybody.
How does your younger man?
I'm in very good
I
shape.
bet you are. Just keep working
Yeah.
on
Don't
it.
touch me.
No,
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry.
Don't touch me.
I know the
No, fuck, this is dopey shit. I'm gonna burn you and then you touch my face. Ooh.
I said I'm not going to burn.
This is dopey talk. It might work on other people who are impressed by you. No, not insecurity. I don't think you're cool. I was nothing but cool to you until you started trying to tell me what to do. Why? Because you're insecure and you're used to people paying attention to you. Immediately you come over to me, you have to tell me about your act and what you do and you do and you do. How about just talking as a human being? You ever try that? Just talking. Stop telling people what to do. Yeah, I'm screaming at you because you need to hear this shit. Because you're always dominant over people, aren't you?
Baby.
Yeah, you are. That's why you felt insecure around me. You tried to get me to do what you wanted me to do. Look me in the eyes, Joe. Don't look down the ground. Don't talk to those girls. I know people like you, and you're fucking pathetic. Save it. Dumb. It's all dumb. I'm not like you. You might have tricked them. You're not going to trick me.
Not
This is
tricking
retarded.
anybody. Oh.
Save it. Save it. Go write a book. Dumb people will buy it.
Don't
Go ahead.
worry.
Yeah.
Read
go
it.
ahead.
Educate yourself.
No, it's ugly. You're dark and mysterious. I forgot because you're unhappy.
I'm not. I'm very
You're
happy.
unhappy. That's
Very
why you
happy.
fuck with people.
Very
You're dark and mysterious.
Doesn't know me. Doesn't know me.
I don't have to.
That's right.
I got what I wanted to
Yeah,
get.
I don't think so.
I got material out of you.
Oh,
Use your act now.
I love her dearly, but you're the first man to stand up to her in that respect.
Good, dude. You're the guy who likes to get slapped?
Bullshit.
They were talking about it.
punch.
Yeah.
All right. There's a difference.
Punch each
Enough
other.
said.
Get a
Enough said,
flow.
dude. Yeah.
It's mutual exchange here. That's all. And that's why I dig your fucking routine. I don't care what you say to me. Okay, mutual exchange. That's all. Wow. It's cool. It really is.
I'll go to the
No problem. That's just for the fucking website.
WFA, you mean?
No, like real, just like backyard parking lot.